Hi everybody. So last week we were talking about algorithms. If you guys remember, an algorithm is a set of instructions or a list of instructions in order to finish a task. So today what we're going to talk about is loops. Loops are found in algorithms. What they're going to do is allow you to do maybe one step over and over again, a loop. Just keep repeating it until you need it to stop. So we're going to be looking down at a map that I have here, and we're going to use my Ozobot today. I'm not doing block-based programming or any of that. I will be using the drive mode because it doesn't work the same way I need it to for here. But because it's smaller, it'll fit on my grid instead of the B-bots, okay? Let's see, oops. Okay, he's gonna work. Okay, so I have a start here. I'll put Ozobot here. And if we look, Ozobot needs to get over to this end right here. So if we're gonna go along with the symbol programming that we were doing in our grid coding activity, I'm gonna use this space up here. To get over here, we would need to move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times in order to get to this end, right? In order to do a loop, we're going to shorten it and make it a little bit more simple, okay? So for us, we could take this whole piece here and turn it into a loop. For us, the loop would look like move forward. I'm gonna do this right here. And how many did I say was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? So move forward 7 times. Or we could write it 7, move forward. Either one of those will work. Okay, so for here, I'm going to drive Ozobot on this side. So we go 1, 2, oops, we're a little sideways. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, my controls are a little wonky. It's a joystick. I'm just moving it around. Okay, now when you go into code.org, it looks different. We're going to have a repeat block, and it looks, let me erase that. It looks more or less like this once you have a program in it, right? And we always have a when run block at the top. I'm not sure if that's going to fit in my screen. Yeah, let me lower it down. So always get a when run block, the repeat. And sorry, it's really shaky, especially since I just tapped it. Okay, so to do the same thing for code.org, I would have used the east arrow to move in that direction. And we would have told it to do 7 times. Remember, there's a box right here, and we would have said 7. That's it. Okay, so this is what it's going to look on code.org. We are going to be working on code today. Each grade level is going to have a different lesson, but they're all basically going to look the same. Okay, for 3rd through 5th, I believe, you're not going to get these arrow blocks showing you directions or cardinal directions. What you're going to have instead is a move forward and turn commands. Okay, so let me talk to you about how those turn commands are going to work. All this out the way. Okay. So let's say we want to take this path around instead of going straight across, which is fine. Instead, what our program would have looked like using the repeats is going to be to move forward 2 times. So 2 forward, and then we would have gone up, or it'd be a turn, sorry. We would turn to the left. So we would turn left, and then we would move forward 1, 2, and I'm going to keep using the move forward as a straight one because move forward is straight on code. So to move forward, then we would turn to the right, and then we would move forward 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope my program's in view. Okay, it is. Sorry, I had to check it. And then we would, turn right again. And then move forward 1, 2. Then we would turn to the left and move forward 1. All right, that's a bit complicated on this one. That's okay. So we're going to move forward 1, 2, turn to the left. Notice my turn to the left is staying in place. It didn't go anywhere else. It just stayed right there. Move forward 1, 2. Turn to the right. Move forward 4. Sorry, it's my driving. I'm going a little crooked. And then turn to the right again. Too far. Move forward 2, and then turn to the left and move forward. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing today. Working on our loops, we're going to repeat. You can make them longer, shorter. It's best if you can find a pattern to a long series of code. Some of the ones that you'll get in code.org are going to look more like stairs, where it'll follow, a step path. Those can be harder, but those are going to be the best ones to challenge you on your ability to use the repeat code. Okay, so you're going to go out, give it a try, do your best. I'm going to link the lesson for each grade level on this Seesaw assignment. What you're going to do for me after you complete the lesson is take a screenshot or a picture, if you're using a different device, of what you did, showing me your completed code. So I do need to see whatever your block code looks like, and not just a picture of the little flag saying you did it. I do want to see your code. That way, if you're having any trouble, I can go ahead and give you some feedback and some help. I would be happy to go ahead and demonstrate the lesson for you individually if it's one that you need help with, okay? So go ahead, go out, have some fun, and good luck.